welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be doing a music playlist video. So I'm gonna be showing you all my favorite songs that I've been loving, especially the Mamma Mia soundtrack. You guys, you will see how obsessed I am during the last part of this video. And I think I have a new obsession with Amanda Seyfried and Meryl Streep and just the entire cast. She's so freaking talented and I love her so much, and I'm not gonna say anything else because you guys will probably get annoyed at me. Like, comment down below if you love Mamma Mia and comment your favorite Mamma Mia song. Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe down below and do all that stuff if you haven't already. You guys know what to do. You guys know the drill. Okay, so yeah, make sure you go do all that stuff and I'll see you guys in the outro. This next song is so cute. I found this song from the girl saying in Moana, the main character. I just don't know how to pronounce her name. She mentioned this song and I fell in love with it, so.
I have a question. It might seem strange, it's only fair. There's gotta be some kind of fly somewhere. Cause I like you, but that's not enough. So if you will, please fall in love with me.
Single for life, eh?
Cause you miss it too much. May we all know that nothing ain't cool till you wear the new off the sound of a quarter rolling down the jukebox. So at the top of the back of a Bronco, now coach smiling with her hair blowing out the window. Where you about to go? May we all.
We said our last goodbye. Won't you stay the night, even just for a moment? Our last goodbye, even just for a moment.
I hate myself.
I need you.
Oh, yes.
I want you. Come on, I need you. I want you.
So, you guys all know I love Nicki and Gabby. You guys all probably know who Nicki and Gabby is, so I'm not gonna explain. If you guys didn't know, they just released a new EP. I remember listening to Are You for the first time and I fell in love with the song. Personally, I love Let It Roar and Out From Under You, but both of those songs are my favorite songs.
Cages battle, break a wall, watch it fall, not afraid to lose it all. Oh, we got the thunder, let it roll, oh, we light the fire. 2,
3, let's go!
Been since high school,
I messed it up.
I didn't move to California for the love life. I wouldn't have to run low, only fucking got it right the first time. Where will we be? You're a world away, somewhere in the crowd. There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. Too happy now.
It's not just me, no, you feel it too. Words, we go breaking up like cell phone. Listen when I talk. Can go slow, 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 slow. I might be a rebel, I might go wrong. I might be a tiger that's gonna get you.
No, that song is like my favorite.
If heaven is anywhere, it's in a blue Tacoma, California. White magnolia in your head. Never running out of golden road. Always having your hand to hold in a blue Tacoma, California.
I don't know any of the lyrics to this next song, but you probably heard this song like billions of times. They're probably like an Emma Chamberlain's video or like Summer McKean or like.
How you want me when you got a girl? And on in the love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last. Hanging out the back, all of I don't care long as you.
myself. The last few songs from this entire video is gonna include songs from Mamma Mia, the first and the second soundtrack. And to be honest, it's not as good as the first one. I mean, everybody has different opinions, but I just love the OG cast.
Honey, honey,
Hold on.
honey, honey, how he thrills me. Honey, honey, I've heard about him before. I wanted to know some more. The love machine, oh, it makes me dizzy. The way that you hold me tight when you do your thing. I have a dream, a song to sing. I believe in angels. I have a dream, a fantasy, and my destination makes it worth the while.
Oh my god, guys, this is my favorite song out of all the soundtracks.
I'm nothing special, in fact, I'm a bit of a bore. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Without a song or a dance, what are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me.
Okay, I don't know any of the lyrics in the second soundtrack, but I do have my favorites. So, yeah. If you guys watched the second movie, you guys know this song. You guys know what happens.
The words I try to find, my love, my life.
What the hell?
My love, my love. Yes, I know I don't possess you. You are still my love. I don't know what you do. You make me think that you will change my life forever. Want you near, give up on you, my dear. My picture clear, everything seems so easy. One of us is crying, one of us is lying in her lonely bed, wishing she was somewhere else instead.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm sorry if it was really long, and yeah, I'm so sorry if I look like a mess in that video. I was just really into the music. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe down below again and follow all my social medias and do all that stuff. You guys know what to do. Oh yeah, oh my god. Today's shout out of the week goes to this person right here. Thank you for commenting on my video. I love you so much. Make sure you comment something down below to be the next shout out of the week. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Wake up in the morning with the sunlight in my eyes. No, my head don't feel so bright. What the hell happened last night? Oh, yeah,